Welcome to our official step-by-step guide on how to apply online at the Balochistan Public Service Commission. Whether you're applying for the first time or need a quick refresher, this video will walk you through the complete process in simple steps. Before we begin, here are some important things you must remember. Do not send hard copies of your application or documents to the BPSC. Do not send your bank or treasury receipt either. Keep it safe. You'll need it for your test. Only apply if you meet all eligibility criteria. Fake or incomplete applications can lead to serious consequences. For technical help, call 081-920-3264 Monday to Friday. Start by opening your internet browser. Type in www.bpsc.gov.pk in the address bar and press enter. On the homepage, click on Apply Online. If you're already registered, simply log in using your CNIC or email. Or you had forgot password, you can reset it by clicking Forgot Password, or if you're a new user, click on Create Account. Then registration form will appear and fill in your personal details like name, CNIC, email, and password. Then click Register. Adding personal information. Now click to add your personal information. Fill in your details and click Save. Adding education. Now click the checkbox to add your education information. Fill in your degree details and click Save. You can view or add more records by clicking the I icon or Add More Education Record. Adding experience.
Click the Experience tab.
Check the box to open the form. Add your job title, duration, and organization. Click Save. You can view or edit your current job if necessary. Adding certifications. If you have any professional certifications, add them here and click Save. This step is optional but recommended if relevant. Viewing and applying for jobs. Next, click on Show Advertisement to browse available jobs. Click Description to read the job details. When ready, click Apply Now on the job you're interested in. Enter challan details. Now, enter your bank challan details carefully. You must deposit the required fee before this step. Once entered, click Submit. Reviewing and downloading documents. Click the Document tab to view your uploaded files. You can also download your application form and acknowledgement receipt by clicking the PDF icons. That's it. You've successfully applied online at BPSC. Don't forget to save your receipt and application form. If this video helped you, please like, share, and subscribe for more updates and guides.